Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back. Once again, I am Sir L, your mathematics teacher for second quarter. Let's start with distance formula. So again, it is D is equal to the square root of the quantity of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus the quantity of y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. So that's the formula. Next, problem number 1. What is the length of the line segment whose endpoints are 3, 5 and 11, 5? So these are the following steps. Step number 1, identify the terms. Number 2, illustrate or draw the given terms in the Partition plane. Number 3, use the formula and solve. So again, number 1, identify the terms. So let's start. So 3 is your x sub 1 and the partner is y sub 1 and that is 5. For 11 and 5, so these are your x sub 2 and y sub 2 because that is the ordered pair. Next, illustrate or draw the given terms in the Partition plane. So let's draw. For the illustration, so we need to have a partition plane. So like this. So we have 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here, this is 3, 5. Then next is 11, 5. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So somewhere here. 11, 5. Then connect the dots. So this will be the illustration. Next, step number 2. Illustrate or draw up. I'm done with illustration. Number 3. Use the formula and solve. So using the formula, I can now solve distance. Therefore, that is D is equal to the square root of the quantity of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus the quantity of y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Next, so just substitute. X sub 2 is 11. Therefore, 11 minus x sub 1 is 3. Then square. Then add y sub 2 is 5. 5 minus y sub 1 is also 5. Then square. Then just solve it. So, subtract. 11 minus 3, that is 8. Copy square. 5 minus 5 is 0. Square. Now, you square the terms. So 8 squared, that is 64. Plus 0 squared, that is still 0. What is 64 plus 0? That is square root of 64. Now, what is the square root of 64? It is both positive and negative 8. So that would be our distance from point here until the point here. So 8. Let's count if it's really 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore, the distance from here to here, it's really 8. Now, we're talking about the distance, therefore, it's always positive because it's an absolute value. So, 8 is the distance now. Thank you.